Programming your BMW key fob involves synchronizing it with your car's computer system to enable remote keyless entry and comfort access features. Comfort access allows for proximity-based unlocking and starting. While BMW recommends professional programming at a dealership to avoid potential warranty issues, DIY methods have become more accessible with advancements in diagnostic tools. This electronic handshake between the key fob and your vehicle ensures secure and authorized access. As of 2025, over-the-air updates enable remote reprogramming via the BMW app for newer models that minimizes trips to dealers. Note that battery drain issues are common, and costs range from $50 to $200 at dealers or $20 to $100 for DIY kits. To program your key fob, you will need a compatible key fob, either original BMW or aftermarket, a diagnostic tool like an OBD2 scanner, and access to the vehicle's ignition system. Follow these steps to program your key fob. First, unlock your vehicle and ensure you have at least one working key for verification. Connect the OBD2 scanner to the port under the dashboard. Use the software to enter programming mode, either through BMW ESTA or third-party apps like Carly. Hold the fob close to the start button for comfort access, or use the scanner to add it. Finally, verify by cycling the ignition to confirm the fob is recognized. Be aware that remote-only fobs lack comfort access, and comfort access fobs require battery replacement every 2 to 3 years.